Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. Let's make lunch together. So I'm going to be making pork and it's going to be a very simple recipe. So I'm going to move over to the stove top where I've placed my pot, and because my pork is a little bit fatty, I'm going to add my meat. So I've not added any oil to my pot because my pork is a little bit fatty. So I'm going to let the pork render its own fat. And yeah, so it's going to take a couple of minutes to sear. When searing the pork, make sure not to add any water because the meat is going to release its own water. So yeah, don't add any water. My pork is ready. Just look how gorgeous my pork is looking, and I have that nice golden brown color. So I'm going to transfer my pork to a plate. Add a little bit of oil to fry my onions. Then I'm going to add in onions together with garlic. Stir in, and then I'm going to cook until a little bit golden brown. The ginger and garlic are going to add a lot of flavor to my pork, and also if you don't like the smell of pork, the ginger and garlic are going to reduce that smell. Yeah, so you can add as much as you like, or you can minimize much as you like. So I used 3 cloves of garlic and half a thumb size ginger. I'm starting to have that nice golden brown color. So to my pot, I'm going to add in 2 diced tomatoes. Stir in. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, cumin, black pepper, tomato paste, star. Add in about a 1/4 cup of water. Stir in. Add in 2 seasoning cubes. Stir in. And my tomatoes are almost cooking, so I'm going to let this cook for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is how my pot is looking. This is smelling so good. So at this point, I'm going to add in some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir in, and then I'm going to add in my meat. Stir in my meat into the delicious sauce. Just look at that. Next, I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of cornstarch. Adding the cornstarch is going to thicken up the sauce, so you can add the cornstarch in water, or you can just add in the cornstarch before you add in the water, like I did. Yeah. Then I'm going to add in about a third cup of water. Stir in. See, the reason I've added cornstarch, I have a very nice gravy. Lastly, I'm going to add in my green capsicum. I like my capsicum crunchy, so I'm going to stir in. Once done, I'm going to cover my pot and simmer on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Check on my pot, and this is how my pork is looking. This is going to be so delicious with the garlic. So this is my lunch. I'm going to serve and show you how delicious this is. It's been an amazing 30 minutes and my pork is ready. It's smelling so good from the garlic to ginger and the spices, and it's going to be so delicious. So I'm going to have mine with ugali, sukuma wiki, and it's going to hit. So I hope you try out this recipe at home and make for yourself some delicious pork at home.